Bafowethu, into ongayazi uNkulunkulu nawe. Ngeke ngingayenzi le video wenganza kwethu. Ngeke ngiyeke ukuyenza mhlampe noma ngithi khona umuntu efuna ukumenzela noma khona umuntu engifuna ukumjabulisa. Uma ngisuke ngenza amavidiyo ami ngisuke ngingafuni ukujabulisa umuntu wenganza kwethu. So-ke uma unenkinga nokulalela ividiyo yami buyele eceleni nganza kwethu, kodwa ngeke siyeke ukukhuluma ngobudedengu babantu esibazi bamalida. Bafowethu, ake sibhekele le ndaba ephakathi kukaMalema noNgizwe Mchunu. Indaba ephakathi kaJulius Malema noNgizwe Mchunu. Okay, uyazi bengingemuhle kahle kade uMalema eqiqa inkantolo ethathwe i-AfriForum lapho khona uMalema owadubula khona isibhamu esibhekise phezulu. Sonke sazi ukuthi ku-illegal, akukho emthethweni ukudubula isibhamu kwi-public. Kodwa ukuthi makagwetshwe ngangifisa ngaze ngaphumela but yazi engathi ngahlawuliswa kunokuthi agwetshwe ejele. Nebala-ke uMalema-ke wesenye isigwebo, wanikezwa isigwebo. Once watholwa guilty, which means he is convicted. uJulius Malema, he is convicted. And wagwetshwa ku-5 years-ke kanjalo ngoba nonenazi-ke wase-ke aphila uJulius Malema. Money talks, we all know. Now, kuyadumaza ukuthi uJulius Malema, umuntu osekhulume kangaka ngabantu, ngamagama abantu, esho zonke izinto, akekho umuntu engimaziyo emhlabeni o-insulte abantu njengoJulius Malema. Hey, uba insultile futhi ngesikhathi samongameli uJacob Zuma. Hey, the man, uyazi, akamhloniphanga, wambukela phansi umnumzana uJacob Zuma ngesikhathi even eParliament public. Now uMalema, a convicted man, is arresting umuntu. Let's make sure. Umuntu convicted. Umuntu convicted. Njengamanje ufaka uNgizwe ejele, ufuna uNgizwe esejele. Nebhala-ke ngempela-ke ijaji-ke thizeni-ke sebekwenzile-ke, asazi noma bakwenze ngokuqonda noma bakwenze ngamshobhoshobo, ukuthi uMalema-ke njengamanje waphinde wabuyela enkantolo-ke futhi twice ephusha lento ukuthi uNgizwe umfuna esejele. Okay. Okay-ke uNgizwe-ke njengamanje iphumile i-warrant of arrest kaNgizwe, kodwa kwenza bani kwenza uJulius Malema. Now, inkinga yami-ke ila, okay, kune-contempt of court there ukuthi uNgizwe wadalela inkantolo shuthi akafikanga nomyalelo wenkantolo akawulalelanga, kanjani kanjani khona lokho. Kodwa nje the same person ekade simdabukela sithi no i-leader yezepolitiki eSouth Africa ufaka manje uNgizwe ejele. Uyayizwa into engishoyo? Beside ukufaka uNgizwe ejele, sisashaqekile ukwenza kaJulius Malema neqembu lakhe i-EFF ukuthi bona bancamela abantu abama-illegal foreigner, badela abantu base-South Africa. Ungekwenza kanjani ukuthi udele izingane zakho ngomuntu wangaphandle? Udele iy'ngane zakho endlini yakho, your household, udele izingane ozizalayo. Ebese udefend umuntu wangaphandle, uthathe iy'ngane zakho uyixaze ngaphandle. Iyafana lo nto eyenziwa uJulius Malema. Njengamanje la kuthiwa the illegal foreigners must go and sort their papers, and when you continue protecting them, you continue with all your narratives esingawazi. Ungasaqali futhi Julius Malema, waqala kwidudula. Idudula, yabona uNhlanhla Lux wadila noNhlanhla Lux, very precise. It was iJulius Malema ne-EFF eyadila noNhlanhla Lux for idudula. Bavulela amacala, nashona le nashona le nashona le. It was Julius Malema and EFF. Ilikunonisha-ke khona omnye umfana onentshetshanyana nje oke wakhuluma wasithintsha enye ividiyo yami la engangithi khona uMalema wayengakhulumi mangabe kukhona izinto ezenzakalayo, kutholakala oma-drugs, ukuthi angenile aqhamuka kuphi, wayengakhulumi ngoba lana akuthiwa bahambe ama-illegal because they busy selling drugs. They are drug smugglers. They doing all those things. selling abantu, trafficking, all human trafficking, all those things. Now, nangena-ke nina wangena wena mfana futhi omunye khona umfana wangena wasititshela akasazi waphi isibongo wasititsha ividiyo yami mfana wazothi hayi kuzofuneke angiyivotelanga angikhulumi ngezokuvota uzongithetha angiyivotelanga angihlangi la ekhanda mina soze ayivotela i-FF ungangeni la uzothi kumina hayi awuyivotelanga wena i-FF wathi angikhulumi ngokuvota umuntu manje ningayifaki into umuntu asuke engakhulumi ngayo musani ukumixa the issues sibe silungisa izwe lethu olunakele ningene nizodefenda nibe ningekho strong for ukudefenda nidefende nento engadingi ukudefendwa. You can't defend umuntu oraping ingane zabantu. You can't defend umuntu obulala ingane zabantu ngama-drugs. You can't do that. If you do that, which means nawe you are equally yoked like them. Nawe uyisigebengu kanye nabo uma umdefenda. Wangena-ke mfana ndini wazothi kumina angisakukhumbuli sengikade ngicinga ngibheke ukuthi bani bengifuna ukuyisa direct uma uphinde usitshintsha futhi ngibhekane nawe ngqo and ngakusendela i-email kwi-inbox wakho you never responded ukuthi listen ama-leader ezepolitiki eSouth Africa sizokhuluma ngawo whether uthanda ungathandi into eyangidina du yile nto yokuthi kumina uthi phuma nje kwi-FF phuma futhi uJulius Malema ngoba when the fighters will come for you come for who how Sanya come for who how ubani wanitshela ukuthi nina ama-fighters they are superior they are powerful they are powerful they will come for who kanjani kubani bazoza kubani kanjani ngayiphi indlela what are you talking about what were you referring to who you think I am mawuzongitshela ukuthi the fighters they will come for you you need to stop talking about uMalema blah sikhuluma ngawo wonke ama-leader ase-South Africa if you're doing bad you are a leader we will talk to you but don't come and say who will come for me fighters will come for me that's bullshit that must never happen hlukwanani nokufuna ukusabisa abantu abakhuluma kahle ngikhuluma geopolitics and local politics but sikhuluma kahle ngalabantu and akukho la engithuka khona ngizange ngamthuka uMalema but against what akuvulwa amabhoda already stuck uthi akuvulwa amabhoda two udefend ama-illegal foreigners yet kunzima ngempela kunzima ngempela yena uthi hayi kufuneke bengahambi what bla 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 and nina masizokhuluma ngalezi zinto nizongena indaba yenu is not about abantu base-South Africa is about iqembu leni le-EFF that's nonsense is about your CIC that's nonsense and we will never stop about u-CIC wenu loyo but he is not akuyena umuntu nje ongaze ngempela phela be-first priority ukuthi sekuzofuneke-ke manje simbeke lapha simworship why to worship him why do we have to worship him so ungangeni ubusufuna ukuthi hayi stop talking about this listen you are in South Africa we leader in South Africa nama ngi-leader representa iphathi yase-South Africa kuyokhulunywa ngami uma ngabe ngingenzi kahle nawe uma uyi-leader yase-South Africa ungenzi kahle kuyokhulunywa siyakhuluma ngomnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa siyakhuluma ngoCyril Ramaphosa yabo izolo lokho bengikhuluma ngondunankulu wamazulu uthole sizokuthelisa akekho umuntu ongene kumina ozothi hey the IFP will come for you stop lokhu ngoba uyivotelanga i-IFP akekho uma ngikhuluma nge-ANC akekho oza kumina ukuthi hayi awuyivotelanga akekho wenza njalo so ukuthatha abunene people will come kanti who are the fighters are the Adam who are the fighters are the lawmakers are the i-army bengazi mina ama-fighters ama-supporters i-FF ayi-army angazi noma ephuma eRussia noma ephuma eMelika noma ephuma e-Iran noma ephuma but didn't know that but stop trying to put fear and trying to scare people kuma inbox and even stinge my video and talk nonsense stop that if you want to talk to me please write down your email. I've got even my email there. Or go to my inbox and write your story. Ubuze ukuthi wedwa ngisuka kuphi ngiya kuphi. Rather than stinging my video, uzokhuluma uthi hey baba what you don't know is bigger than you but indlela okhuluma ngayo blah 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 blah. No. Use your common sense. If you lack common sense and if you lack humanity, don't come to me. Don't be around. But it is wrong what Julius Malema is doing against Ungizwe. It is wrong. If you're a powerful politician, kuyakhulunywa lapha, kuyashawana kwi-politics. Don't go and open notes.
Siyakubingelela Mbukeli, siyakwamukela namhlanje. Nangu ubhuti ebeka udaba oluphambili kakhulu lana olubalulekile ukuthi indaba kaNgizwe Mchunu Benajulus Malema seyiqala ukuphuma esandleni. Uthi ubhuti ngesikhathi uJulius Malema egijimisa i-AfriForum babemkhalela ukuthi hhayi angaboshwa ngesikhathi eqhumisa isibhamu kwi-rally ye-EFF ibungaza usuku yeminyaka ethizeni i-EFF yasungulwa. Babemthandazisa uMalema ukuthi angaboshwa. Kepha manje naye Malema usejikile manje. Usebophisa uNgizwe Mchunu-ke naye manje ukuthi ngalolu daba lolu Ngizwe Mchunu akhuluma ngalo ukuthi kunabantu abamgwazayo abamdizelayo imali. Mbukela, awuyibuke le video yabhuti bese ubeka umbono wakho ukuthi uthini ngalolu daba. Siphinde sihlangane kwelandelayo. Bye bye.